Hi everyone. Tonight's recipe is coming out of the cookbook Campbell's Collections. Tonight I'll be making Texas two-step chicken picante. What all goes into the Texas two-step chicken picante? 4 skinless boneless chicken breasts, 1.5 cups paste picante or thick and chunky salsa, 3 tablespoons packed light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. Take a bowl, dump in your 1.5 cups of picante sauce, the 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and the 3 tablespoons of packed light brown sugar, and give that a mix. Take a shallow pan. I have lightly sprayed it with nonstick cooking spray and lay your chicken breasts in the pan. It says 4, but I'm going to put in as many as I can. I have 6 here, and that's what I'll put in. Then take your picante sauce and pour it over the chicken. So take your Texas two-step chicken picante, put it in a preheated 400-degree oven for 20 minutes or until no longer pink. So here is the Texas two-step chicken picante on top of a bed of jasmine rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Smells good. If I can do this without knocking it on the floor, that would be a good thing.
It's Texas two-step chicken picante.
Is there some kind of sugar in this?
Yeah, brown sugar.
Oh, that's good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.